Welcome to the WunderTrading channel. In this video, we will tell you how to automate the Runbot trading strategy on the WunderTrading platform. If you want to learn how to make your trading strategy more effective by fully automating it and increasing your potential in the market, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. First of all, we should go to Runbot and create our trading idea. Before we start, it's worth mentioning that Runbot is a platform that allows you to create trading strategies and perform backtests on historical data. It is a great tool for both beginner traders and professionals who want to test their ideas before applying them to real markets. Now, let's dive into creating a trading strategy. Click on the button to create a new strategy and go to the Indicators tab. As an example, we will use a simple RSI strategy on the 1-minute time frame, but you can use any of the proposed ones or make a combination of several. After selecting the indicator, choose the pair, time frame, and period for the indicator. To enter a position, we will use the classic logic of crossing 30 for long and 70 for short respectively. Save your strategy. It will also be useful to rename it for more convenience. Our strategy is now ready to be automated. Next, let's automate our strategy and turn it into a trading bot. First, we need to go to the WunderTrading platform. Select the Signal Bot tab and click on the Runbot Alerts button. Write the name of the bot, select the exchange and API you want to trade with. Select the time frame and pair similar to the one chosen in the strategy on Runbot, and set the entry volume parameters. Our strategy will send entry signals, but to close positions, we will use take profit and stop loss on the WunderTrading platform. The last thing we need to do is configure the sending of our signals. Go back to the Runbot platform, go to the Bots tab, and create a bot webhook configuration by selecting our strategy, initial capital, trade size, and selecting WunderTrading in format alerts for it to work correctly. Insert the message "Enter long" from the settings of your bot on WunderTrading as a key. You do not need to enter any other data such as enter short or exit. The system will automatically adapt the signal to the required task. Save and run your bot. Return to the WunderTrading platform and save the bot. Everything is ready. It remains only to wait for the opening of the trade and make sure that the trading bot works correctly. You can now see that the trade was opened and everything works correctly on both platforms. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.